Hi, I'm Chinyere, trainer at Amdor Analytics. Okay, today we'll be looking at different data types in Python. Okay, so let's see different data types we have in Python. We have here integer, we have string, we have floats, we have booleans, we have sets, tuples, dictionaries, and lists. Okay, so today we'll be looking at integer. So next time we'll look at other data types. Okay, so let's see what is integer, right? So integer, it's a whole number, right? So when we say 10 plus 10, 10, 20, 50, 1,000, they're what? Integer, right? So let's use addition first. I'm going to comment. That's what we call comment, okay? Comment is just like you commenting out what you're doing, so that whoever that will look at your code, you know that this is actually what you're doing. So we have different comments, okay? Types of comments. We have a single line comment, we have a double line comments, okay? So I'll be using single line comment. Single line comment is when you use just a hash, all right? Single hash, and then you write out what you are about to do. So I'm going to say addition of two numbers. All right, so just do that here. Right, so addition. So this thing you're saying here is what is called comment. All right, so if I say 10 lots, 10 plus 10, and I run the code, so you can see we have what? We have 20. Now it just only takes the run. Okay, so this is actually our data output. This comment here will not run with whatever we have here, right? So you can actually test your data output. I mean, you can test your output, your code output, okay? You want to find out, is this a integer or tuple, or is it list, or is it float? Okay, for us to do that, if you type, if I say type 20 is our output there. If I say type 20, I want to test that. This thing you can see here, we have what? We have int. Int simply means what? Integer. All right, that simply means telling us that our data, our output here, our code output is what? Is an integer data type, right? It's an integer data type, right? So let's look at another integer using another example. So let's look at subtraction. I'm going to say subtraction. Okay, so subtraction, I'll say 10 minus 2. So if you run it, you can see we have what? We have 28, which is what? Still an integer. You can still text it, okay? Now let's say, we are not using float today, but I want to show you something. If I say 3.5, okay, 3.4 plus 8, right? If I run this, you can see we have what? We have 11.4. So let's test the data type. Now, if I come here and type, all right, so sorry, type 11.4 as our output. So if you run it, you can see we have what? We have floats. We have floats as our data types, right? So let's look at another, let's use another multiplication as sign for that or integer. So let's look at multiplication. So if I say multiplication, all right. So I can say multiplication of two numbers. So if I say 3 multiplied by 4, so we have it as what? As 12, right? So let's look at division. Now in division, we have 3 types of divisions in Python. So we have the normal division, we have the floor division, and we have the modulo division. So let's look at the 3 together, right? So I'm going to use it, but let me comment out now and say division, right? So division. So let's use the normal division first. So if I say, okay, let's say 89 divided, you use what? / divided by 6. So if I run this code, you can see I have 14.833 something, right? So this is actually what? normal division in Python. So let's look at the second division in Python, and that's what? That's floor division. So floor division. So floor division is, let's use the same number, let's say 89 divided by 6. Now here, we're using the forward slash 2 times. We're using the what? The forward slash 2 times. And then let's run it. Now, if you pay attention here, you can see what floor division does. It helps us to return whole number. It helps us to return what? Whole number, right? So another division we have is modulo division. So I'm going to say modulo division. So modulo division. Now, modulo division, so let's still use the same number. So if I say 86, okay, 89, okay, this sign will now be percentage sign, right? Percentage sign, right? So 89 divided by 6. And let's run it. It's giving us what? 5. Now, what this modulo division does, it helps us to return remainder. Okay, it helps us to what? To return the remainder, right? So if I say, let's see another example of modulo division. If I say 4 divided by 2 and run it, you can see it's giving out what? Whole number. The division of the return, the remainder of 0, right? The remainder of 0. So we have different types of division, which you've seen. We have the normal division, we have the floor division, and we have what is the modulo division. So we're going to stop here for today. So guys, if you want to know more, you want to know, become an expert in Python, you want to become an expert both in data science, data analytics, okay? Register with Amdor Analytics. Register with these guys, okay? So this is actually where we hold their hands, show you what you need to know, how to excel in the field of data, anything related to data. See you guys. And guys, don't forget, our next masterclass will be happening on 24th of this month. Next masterclass will be happening on 24th of this month. Want to see you there, guys. Cheers.